story time of how I left a guy with a bill at a restaurant. Okay, so I went to the police station. I think I had to certify some documents, and then when I was there, I met someone. That someone is a policeman, and he took a liking to me, and he asked for my number. I was like, yeah, sure, you can have my number, and we started chatting. We started chatting for a couple of weeks, and he's always been wanting to see me outside. Like he wants to go out on a date with me, and he invited me for lunch this day. It was during the week, right? And I stayed at Res at that time. So I said, yeah, okay, I'll go. And then we met at the waterfront. Okay, and we went to Spur. Then when we went to Spur, he asked me, oh, okay, we sat down, and then we were going to have lunch, and I asked him what is the budget, and he said, no, you can order whatever you want. I'm like, whatever I want, uchokbani, uyandazi mna, uthi whatever I want, okay. Ndathi yazi imenu, ndathi come. Ndajonga imenu, and I don't even know the name of that meal that I took, but it had a quarter chicken, some spare ribs, onion rings, chips on the side. What else did it have? But it had a lot, that meal. I ordered that meal, knowing very well that I'm not going to finish that meal. This is student. We have to make a plan, we have to think about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I was like, this is my lunch. It's also going to be my dinner. Dinner sorted for the day. I ordered, and then I asked for a doggy bag, and then the waiter came, was on a doggy bag. So I was like, okay, let me order now my dessert. I ordered waffles with ice cream. Akumnandi ke sana, siyancokola nogayi. Kumnandi, siyancokola, fine. Incoko ke iyahamba. So what are you doing? Yeah, I'm studying, blah 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 blah. Yena, I am from Pretoria, wara wara wara. Nice gentleman. Okay. Then comes the bill. Comes the bill, and he swipes, decline. Aibu. Swipes again, decline. And the waiter says, sorry, the card is declining, wara wara. And then he says to me, I have a friend that's going to send me money, and now I need to go draw out that money. He's going to send me the cash sent because this card, excuse me, has bank charges, wara wara wara. I was like, you have a friend that's going to, and I was like, okay. And the ATM, I think it was an FNB ATM. It was down there at the bottom of the stairs where Spur was. Spur is up there, and there's a FNB, I think, ATM down there. And he was like, he's gonna go draw money there. And I asked the waiter, I'm like, waiter, can you please go with him? The bill is on him. Can you please go with him to the ATM? Ah, they went to the ATM. Ah, the people are not coming. I'm like, why are you not coming? I'm texting, why are you not coming back? Is the money not there? No, I'm just waiting. And then I see him on the phone. He's busy on the phone. He's talking. I'm like, I even drank here. I drank some savannas. I don't know how many savannas I drank, but now I think the bill is here and his money is here. I nailed it, Chum. I nailed to clear the bill. My question is, and I asked him, why did you say I could order whatever I wanted? Because you invited me to lunch. Nah, I'm a student and I don't have money. You said I can order whatever I want. Do you know who I am? Sana. Me. I must order whatever I want. I ordered whatever I wanted. And the results, he couldn't pay the bill. They stood there and I checked the time. I'm like, okay, now it's 6 p.m. I've been waiting and I've been patient. But now the taxis ezisuka ewaterfront ziyaphela. Ndilinde umntu ozawubhatala ibill. Kaloku sana, mna, my business here is over. Bendi-invithiwe to lunch, but now I have to go before iteksi ziphele. And at that time, There wasn't really Ubers and meter taxis. I was like, "Hi, bye guys, I'm bouncing," and I left you guys, and I left him. I left him there. Esalibele ukuthetha efonini, going pacing around, and the waiter is standing right there because kaloku waiter, if he lets him go, it's gonna be all on him. And I'm like, I count me out. I left the doggy bag because ngoku iyathethisa because it's not paid for, so I can't walk out the store without it. Ndahamba sana, and I never even said goodbye to him. The next day he calls me and he's like, why ungishiya restaurant? I'm like, what was I supposed to do? Wait for you because I asked you specifically what must I order, and you said I can order whatever it is that I like, and you didn't tell me that you didn't have enough money. Now what must I do now? And the taxi is beziphela, so funeka ndithini? And he wanted to see me again. I was like, hi. Ndibuza uphele usenza njani? Athi no, um, this person didn't send the money. I had to wash the dishes until they closed at the establishment. I'm like, don't ever say what noma yini oyifunayo. Don't ever say that. If you can't afford it, say it. I hate people that lie. Because part of me knew that he didn't really have the money, but he was just acting for me as though he had the money, and he was trying to impress me. Athi impressa bani ngemali? Who said I wanted your money? Why would you do that? Why would you put yourself through that? But ke ayinamsebenzi. After that, I wanted to find out what did he do with the bill. Didn't pay it. He couldn't pay it. So if I stuck around, which means I would have washed dishes with him at a restaurant. That's hayi nkosi yami, hayi ngehlise bhoza yami, ngehlise, hayi. Do you know what? After that conversation, I blocked him. I'm like, nah, bruh. Nah. You're not gonna do that to me. I don't even know you. I don't even know you that I need to go and suffer with you. I don't know you, bruh. Also, don't. You should have taken me to KFC and bought me a streetwise two for 40 rands. I would have respected that because that would be your honesty, your truth. Unga 80 as if you have money to pay waiters, tips, and whatever just to impress me, because now you look like a fool to me. Because if you would have said, this is my budget, I think let's go to McDonald's, I would have appreciated that. And I would have sat with you and had a conversation. I was like, nah, bruh. And then he tried to use different numbers to call me because he saw that I blocked him on his number. I was like, nah, bruh, don't do that. Don't try me again. Please don't do that. So yaphela kanjalo ke sana, and I left him. Soze kaloku. Left him there. Asoze kaloku. I hope you enjoyed the story time, and I'll see you in the next one.